That's my supervisor. Good supervisor.
Do you think it was a joke? Because I told him it's everything okay.
Stop recording.
Eh mga kaanuhan ko, ayan o,
Hindi mo naka-record.
Naka-record yan sir, ayan o. Oh. Eh si Ma'am Jessica, yan. Ma'am Jessica, yan.
Hanap na ako. Hindi, magpahabawag ako.
Sir, pauwi na. Ingat na lang. Ayos.
Nandun pa si Juben. Juben, kailan ba uwi? November 1.
May pinili mo?
Yan ang yung babaeng may team na yan. Bye-bye.
You coming back on this trip?
Yeah?
Yeah?
No, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a nice vacation.
Thank you.
Oops.
Zero?
Sir!
Oh! Ayan, makakalating pa sa akin yan o ano? Sabi mo kami. Oh! Magkano score mo yan?
450.
Ito, big time na talaga.
Nay! Layo na namin. Pare-parehas lang. Galing.